Welcome back into Good Morning Maryland. 6:40 right now. This time of year, your inbox is likely to be flooded with promotional emails. Before you click a link, though, to learn more, make sure it's for a real business. There's lookalike sites and phishing emails, and they are our sixth scam of Christmas. Those emails are unsolicited. They're advertising deals, they're gifts, sales, or it might even look like a receipt for something you didn't buy. These emails make it look legitimate, but they could lead you to a lookalike site meant to trick you into entering private information or even give scammers an opportunity to install malware on your computer.
Malware can have keystroke information, so when you put in your passwords, it's collecting that data and at a later time sending it to this scammer, this third party.
I am sure you are getting these promotional emails. I know I am. If you get one, check out the sender's address to make sure that it's from a real business before you click on it or anything. Look for misspellings. A lot of those emails have that. And you can also hover over a link that's in an email without clicking on it to see where it's going to send you. That information pops up there on the cursor. And only enter sensitive information on secure sites that begin with HTTPS. Check out the other 12 scams of Christmas. Visit our website, WMAR2news.com/consumer. Look how nice and clean that new website is this morning.